Hi everyone, I'm Damini Chaturvedi and I'm a professional makeup artist. So here I am in front of you to discuss the makeup trends for the upcoming year, that is 2022. So yeah, let's begin. So most of the 2020 and 21 part has been about minimalism. So yeah, this trend is going to carry forward in 2022 as well. So the first trend would be to keep your base very minimal, the entire base very cakey, make it very soft with minimal layers. As you all know, it's winters right now, so you need that kind of healthy glow on your face. So let's begin with Cetaphil moisturizing cream. This is one of the best cream that I've been using this winters. Just to add a little more hydration on my face, I'm using Makeup Forever Ultra HD Skin Booster Serum. This will not only add a lot of hydration on my face, but will also help my skin to rejuvenate. Hydrating your skin will ensure that your makeup literally glows, because if your skin work is good, it will automatically reflect well on your face after your makeup. Moving on to the next trend, instead of using heavy layers of foundation, it's best to go for nice CC creams or very light tinted moisturizers, or you can also opt for medium to lightweight foundations. Here I'll be using the CC Plus. This is a CC cream. It is oil free. It is from It Cosmetics and it's beautiful. You can use a little bit of it. So using a beauty blender here would ensure that the coverage of the product that you're using is not too much, and you can go to and fro to add more coverage. Just use any dark concealer to cancel any places that you feel are dark or anywhere that you have pimple or problem areas. I'm using the Makeup Forever correcting palette here just to ensure that the circles are cancelled. Now I will be using the MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder here, and I'm going to use the same blender because I want the coverage to be very sheer. And using the damp blender, I'll be applying the powder just to ensure that whatever areas are shining, just to bring down the shine. Move on to contouring our face. I'll be using the Hoola Benefit bronzer here. The next trend that you need to keep in mind is to keep your entire contour extremely very soft. You only want to, probably contour very softly and very, very natural. Now moving on to the next trend would be to go a little heavier with your blush, because blush is something that probably you can see across the mask as well. I'm using the Makeup Revolution blush and I'm going a little heavier with the blush. The next trend would be to make your makeup all the more glowier. So I'll be using the Tarte Pro Glow and Blush palette here and putting that on the high points of my face. Little bit on the nose, chin area and my temples. The trend that we have seen and the trend that we see is going to go on to 22 would be to not define the eyebrows as much, just keep them a little more bushier and a little bit in the upward stroke. So I'll be using this Benefit Goof Proof pencil and I am going to comb my brows in an upward manner, very lightly going to define it. I'm not being very precise, just adding a little hint of the color. Clear gel. So the next trend would be to keep your eyes very minimal, yet a little bit of adding a little bit of shimmer to the eyes. A very well blended eye look is something that is in vogue these days. We guys are wearing masks, so another trend that you can literally take up to 2022 would be to use nice electric color of liners, or you can go bold with your the kind of eye makeup you do, because as it is you will be wearing a mask. So, either of your eye or your lips should be, bold enough to keep the look going. I'll be adding a little bit of shimmer on my entire eyelid. Next thing that you can follow in 22 would be the blended liners. Instead of going all aesthetic with those, wing liners and cat eye liners, you can always use a pencil and use it about on your lash line. Very softly, use any flat brush and blend this liner. Next trend would be to have good voluminous lashes, because once we have put the mask on, we want something to speak out for us, right? I'm using this Sephora Voluminous Mascara here. Add it on the eyes to give a lot of drama. So another trend that would be, followed in 2022 would be the keep the lips entirely matte, since we would be putting the mask most of the time around, I believe. So yeah, I'm using the Huda Beauty lipstick in shade Graduation Day. It's a very soft brown shade. So now the trend that we are seeing, which is on fire, is the glossy makeup look, in which you can go with nice glossy eyelids and you can go with glossy lips. Well, of course, when you're not wearing your mask. So I'll be using the Fenty Beauty lip gloss here, and I'm gonna add it a little bit on the center. Lips are definitely a hit in 2022. Yeah, here we have completed this simple look. So yeah, minimalism is something that's going to be the top trend of 2022. Keeping your entire base very soft, avoiding the cakey makeup, accentuating a lot on your blush, keeping the eyes big and voluminous, but in the same time keeping your lips a little more subtle would definitely be a good big thumbs up in 2022. Also, you can alternate keeping your eyes very soft and focusing a lot more on your lips. Using a nice dark lip color would definitely pick up your entire makeup game. So yeah, keep it soft and keep it simple for 2022, and wish you all a very, very happy new year. Bye-bye.